algebra students, this is your Unit 2 preview for our Algebra 2 class. The title for this unit is Key Features and Graphing Quadratics. So within this unit, you're going to continue to analyze quadratic or x-squared equations, and you're going to start to build onto that vocabulary that you already have and be adding in some graphs. This is going to be starting in Lesson 5, and you will continue down through Lesson 8, finishing with the exam. And again, you do have an opportunity to reflect on that exam in that discussion directly after it. For this unit's preview, I wanted to kind of give you a tip about your gradebook. So here I have a gradebook in a student view. This is just a mock pretend student, but it'd be very similar to what you would be seeing. Now, I want to point out a few things here. The first thing is just how these assignments, these are all of the assignments that you would have in our course, but how they are organized right now. They're organized by due dates. That's fine, but it may not be the most useful for you. I find the most useful to go by module. And what that means is that now this list of assignments, the way that it is listed and organized, is the exact same way that it's presented to you in the course. So that way you can match where you're at in the course and how your grades have been coming. Possibly another useful thing for you is to arrange by assignment group. So I'll let that. And what that means is that it's going to chunk together all of the video assignments, for example, and you can see how you're doing on those type of assignments. You can see how you're doing on the exams, checkpoints, etc. That parlays or relates back into how your grade is calculated, and which is listed right over here. This course is what's called a weighted grade book. And what that means is that all of those video assignments, so all of these assignments that are listed as a video assignment, clumped all together, they're worth 25% of your overall grade. Exams are worth 10% of your overall grade. So what this might mean to you is that if you're skipping a lot of assignments, particularly, for example, if you're skipping all of the discussion assignments, then you're missing out on 10% of your overall grade. That means that if you got 100% on absolutely everything else in the course, but you skip discussions, it's automatically lowered by 10%. So instead of that getting that 100% as your overall grade, it would be lowered to a 90%. So that's kind of a strategy or a thought to use that. Now it is out of 110 because we do have a little bit of a wiggle room right here. That's that final grade adjustment. You don't need, as a student, don't need to worry about that. It's still calculated out of 100%. Don't worry. So I hope that this gives you some tools on how to look at your grades and how your grade is calculated. But as always, if you have any questions, please just let me know.